Hello there YouTube, TechSavagepro here, and today I'm going to be showing you this really cool Apple Store app glitch or Easter egg that I found that I think is actually really cool, because it's kind of getting close to winter time, and I don't know if this has always been like this, but my Siri went off one day and it happened to type this in, and then I thought that my phone was like glitching out or whatever, but actually it turns out this is a Easter egg, and you can do it to any device as long as you have the Apple Store app. As you can tell, this isn't the App Store, this is actually the Apple Store app. And whenever you open it up, it probably won't look like this. I'm actually in Smart Invert, which, if you don't know what that is, that's basically a dark mode for iOS. It's not completely used or supported yet, but it's really close, and it actually works fantastic in the Apple Store app. But as you can tell, we are in the Apple Store app, and everything's normal, nothing's really out of place, except it's black instead of white. Now if you go over to the search and you just type in "let it snow," if you look right there, click enter, and you should see a bunch of little snowflakes. Now if it doesn't work and you're in Smart Invert, then try to close out, because sometimes it does work and sometimes it doesn't. Just go back into your options, cancel the Smart Invert, go back into the Apple Watch or Apple Store app, and then head over to search again one more time. Of course, go ahead and type in the same thing again, "let it snow," and then as you can tell, I've got it in there. Let's go ahead and hit that, and I don't know if you can see that too well, but you can actually see little snowflakes kinda falling down. I'm not sure if you can see that too well, but it's actually pretty cool, because "let it snow," it falls down, the snow falls down, and then right below it you have an option to buy the macOS 10.6 Snow Leopard software or firmware. You have an option to buy that, and it has snow in it. So I think that's just a neat little Easter egg for Apple fans, or just anybody who's looking for something to do when they're bored, to just have fun with it. And the even cooler thing about this is that if you actually leave this search and you just go ahead and go into something else, so if you go and look at a Mac Mini, you can actually see the snowflakes there too. So you can see it actually better right there, because it's a dark background, but you can see that it is actually falling. And just to prove it, if you just go ahead and close out, if I go back into it over here, the snowflakes are gone, as you can tell. So this is an actual Easter egg. You have seen it happen right before your eyes, and you won't need any links for this, so just go ahead, go to the App Store, download the Apple Store app or whatever. Just go to the Apple website and type it in. It should work there too. But hopefully you did like this video, and if you did, go ahead and leave a comment, like, and always make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss anything on the channel. And of course make sure that you hit that like if I haven't told you to already. You should do it because you want to, out of love and support for the channel, so we can hit our most highest goals. And always and forever, peace out. See you in the next one. Catch you later.